Okay, it's officially recording. Okay. So, we're doing this in the name of science.
Science.
Alright, light it.
A little bit windy, alright.
No, just light over here.
There we go.
It's not gonna touch, we're gonna blow something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Flame on. Here we go. This stuff's probably really high temperatures. I don't know how well it's gonna burn. Look at that. Cleaning the outside at least.
Cleaning the outside.
I removed the battery for safety purposes. Ooh, here we go. Oh, we got action. Look at this.
It's burning.
Look at that. Ooh. See the guts.
Here we go.
At least it passed quality control. You can see the stickers. I wonder what they think of us now. Ooh, here we go.
Is this will void our warranty?
No, I'm going to return it.
Oh.
Say there was an electrical fire. Mid-flight. I have no receipt. I have no controller. I have no proof that I bought it. Ooh, if I hit it, it's going to drop. Look at this. Ooh, there we go.
Nice.
Let's see if... Oh, no, these are weak. Look at that. A lot weaker than the body was. Look at that. It's curling up. It's like making one of those... I don't know, those Christmas... the 4th of July snakes?
Yeah,
Isn't that what it looks like?
fly.
Oh, it stinks. Oh, the wings are melting before the prop guards. That's amazing. Prop guards are stronger than the wing, or propeller.
Nice.
Oh, it stinks.
Put the shirt over your mouth.
Oh, yeah. I guess the other side's feeling a little unloved. Here we go. There we go. Don't worry. We love you too. Equally. You too. Here you go.
There's some love.
There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. It's turning into a pile of mush.
Mushy bonfire. Favorite, a drone bonfire.
Drone bonfire.
Some marshmallows out here. S'mores.
S'mores?
Yeah. Drone s'mores.
Drone s'mores. Oh yeah. It's cooking real good. Keeping us warm out here because it's cold. It's warmer than it has been. I don't even think I need any more convincing. This stuff's just kind of melting.
It's just gone at this point.
Anybody who likes this video, actually, I'll send this to them as a giveaway.
Giveaway?
Works just fine. Trust me. Okay, I'm lying about all that.
I don't know, there might be some people who do want a big pile of mush.
Alright, fire's out. Oh gosh. Nice and cool from the snow.
There we go.
Look at it go. Look at it go.
In the name of science.
So this is what happens if you have a bad battery and it causes a fire. This is what ends up with your drone. Look at those.
Poking rod.
Poke at it.
There we go.
Check out the motors in there, see how big they actually are.
I don't see any motors in there.
Think I could sell them on eBay? Gently used.
Gently used. I like the north side of that.
Rice Krispies?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Kind of looks like a battery though, right past me. Let's get that out of there, but I removed the battery, so I don't know what that is. Let's just bury that.
It's gone forever.
Let it cool off and throw it out. That should be a battery because I did remove it.
Right here.
Let's just be on the safe side. Oh my gosh. We're gonna reuse the plastic for other projects. So we're actually recycling.
Yeah, melt it down.
Recycling. Let's get this out of here. It's more like copper and stuff. I don't really want that burning as much as the plastic. Pull that off. Wow, it's amazing how that can turn into absolutely nothing. This is what happens if you were to boil Coca-Cola. This is what it looks like in the pan.
Oh, nice.
I've seen the videos.
No.
You haven't?
No, I have not.
Okay, quick, reform it into another drone.
Alright.
We'll buy a motor for it and fly it.
Well, we already had the battery. I guess we're okay.
Yeah. One less part we need. Oh, and it's out. Oh my gosh. It's weird. It's like
It's stringy.
stringy, yeah. I'm a professional doer, so I can do this. Can't scoop it, but
Not professional enough to scoop it.
well, I've been trained in the art of doing. Maybe I need more training. I can't scoop it up. There it is.
Degree in the art of training.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Art of doing.
It's like a nasty burned wig.
Go. Get it in it.
My hair. Oh my god, there it is. Try to stick it back on your head. Alright, we're good.
Alright, good stuff.
Hope the one person that is watching this enjoyed it.